How often should you replace your engine air filter? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. The short answer is when the filter gets dirty. The longer answer is typically here in Arizona where we're at, it's a very dusty climate. And if you're not going to check the air filter regularly, about once a year or 15,000 miles, that's about how often they accumulate enough dust and dirt to start restricting the air a little bit. But it's really not a matter of restricting airflow. It's more a matter of keeping dust out of the engine because dust can wear out the piston rings. So therefore, make sure the seal around the air filter is real good and make sure the air filter is replaced regularly and fresh. It's an inexpensive repair to protect a major engine repair. Hope you've enjoyed this, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.